Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super cute headstone or gravestone RIP necklace out of mini perler beads. So the first thing you'll need to do is actually make your headstone. Then after that, you are going to want to iron your headstone. Then after it's ironed and it has cooled, you're going to want to take it off of your pegboard, and now you're gonna just have this nifty little gravestone piece. So right after I got done ironing this, I poked a hole through this center bead here to be able to put my jump ring through there. I'd recommend doing that right after you're done ironing because then the plastic is still malleable, so it's much easier to do that. So for the supplies, you will need your headstone, a jump ring, this one is 6mm, and some sort of chain or necklace. Last year for Christmas, I got this huge pack of pre-made necklace bases, so this is just what I will be using, but you can use whatever type of necklace you would like. And then finally, you will need some jewelry pliers. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up my jump ring. And then I'm going to put the jump ring through my headstone piece here, and just like that. And now I'm going to take my necklace base and just put that cord right onto the jump ring, and then you're going to want to close the jump ring. And just like that. And now you have this super cute RIP perler bead gravestone necklace. If you like things like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another video. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a happy Halloween. Thanks for watching.